Before the introduction of the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, a new opening video has been released that verifies all that we will receive in the S23 Ultra. But before we go any further, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Starting with the 200 megapixel sensor, the opening video displays a considerably more detailed high megapixel photo that can zoom much too close and yet maintain the same quality. Next, they discuss the new telephoto lens with 10x zoom, as well as 8K video recording at 30 frames per second and hours of non-stop 8K video recording in the 512GB variant. Because of the improved stabilization and 30 frames per second rate, this new 8K video seems rather smooth. They also discuss the new 12 megapixel selfie camera, which performs well in low light, as well as gaming performance owing to the new in-house GPU, which makes it the fastest processing phone ever. It has been speculated that the S23 series will have a bespoke Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor that is not only superior to the CPU and GPU, but also has significantly increased power efficiency owing to a new cooling system. This in effect boosts up battery life, and it has been proved even in the teaser video with mod of full-day battery life while playing games. The next leak videos also illustrate the improved capabilities of the S Pen, including as the ability to write and draw more neatly, as well as some more applications that allow handwriting to text for S Pen users. Now, the 512GB variant is only available in the S23 Plus and Ultra, but in my view, there should be a 1TB variant as well. Your S23 Ultra 512GB can save up to 100,000 photographs. Now there is a second opening video that demonstrates the durability of the S23 Ultra, which reveals it comes with the new Gorilla Glass vectors, and we know that there would have the Gorilla Glass vectors as well as enhanced drop protection. They also demonstrate the S23 Ultra's water resistance to some extent. Now you have a few hours and some more information. Leaks presale discounts for the S23 Ultra RL, such as a free memory upgrade in Korea, where you can acquire a 512GB variant for the price of a 256GB variant. While in certain regions, the S23 Ultra may come with a complimentary Galaxy Buds Pro 2 or Galaxy Watch 5. Finally, what are your feelings about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.